Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I am doing a mukbang. It's so big. The fries look so good and crunchy. Look at them. They're so fried. Ooh. It has like grilled onion, mushrooms, and it's just like a beef patty. Oh my god. It's so cheesy. I got some fries stuck to it. It looks so good. It's like falling apart. Oh my god. Where's the mushrooms? You can't see through all the cheese and grilled onion. Mmm. 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 Jack in the Box just has the best ranch. Where did I put this? Oh my god, that burger is so good. I know you can't see the food, but okay, I see the mushrooms. There's tomato. Oh, there's the mushrooms. Okay. Oh my god. There's so much bread. The patty is so good. Mmm. 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 The mushrooms. So I woke up kind of early today to go thrifting again. And I found out that they're closing my favorite thrift store. Like in October. That's where I go like most of the time to look for like anything. I bought one of the figures. They have like their own things for sale. So I bought like a figure for like a female to put tops on and stuff for like $3. Like, so that was good. But I'm gonna have to look for somewhere else to shop for inventory and stuff. Hmm. Tastes like real beef. Mm. And then I came out of the store with one thing only. Their inventory has not been that great lately, so I get why they're closing. It's the same thrift store where I got all my skirts and that last thrift haul I did. That's from where I got like everything, I think. The bread is getting soggy because of the tomato. I had too much bread. These fries are better than I remember. I think they changed it. When I went into the restaurant, there was no AC. And like 3 people in the kitchen, and they were sweating, and I was sweating. I was like, "What's going on?" I was surprised they were open. It was hot in there. Weird. The burgers are still good though. I hadn't been there like over a year, and they're still good. I think they kind of try to make them like the curly fries, but not curly. I'm not wearing makeup, so don't look too closely at me. I just threw on this wig to hide the fact that I'm a boy. I know I'm jumping from like topic to topic, but I told my coworkers I was born as a boy. They believe it. Mm. It's hot in here too. I told them I was taking estrogen. It's been working. And that my daddy bought me like ass shots so my ass can get big and my hips. You know. Things to pass the time. That's why I wear wigs. Checking to see if I have food on my wig. I love this little cow. Twins. Red and black, red and black. A. She's so cute. I took so much bread off the burger. Y'all gonna get mad. I don't eat all those carbs. I don't. So cute. We have brothers. Look at that pimple. It's just staying there the whole. It just doesn't want to leave. I've had it forever. I don't know why. Oh, excuse me. I think I have to go to a dermatologist. Ooh. I'll show you how much bread I took off. Let's see if you can get mad. Or maybe you'll be happy and be like, yeah, that was a lot of bread. You don't need all that bread, Alex. You really don't. That's fat. That's fat enough. Mmm. Get all that bread. I ain't eating all that bread. I'm here for the patty and the mushroom. Mm. Pretty filling. For everything, it was like 11 something. Not bad. I also went to the post office. I returned something. And I sent some court papers out. Ratchet life. I have no shame. I really should wear makeup. And not eat burgers. The gyms are still closed. We're in August now. What else did I do? That's it. After that, I just went to pick up food because it was already like 2:40 something. No, one. What time is it? 4. It was already like 3 something. It's 4:17 right now. Why aren't you lighting up? Whatever, it's 4 something. I probably won't eat anything else except that coffee. And then I'll be done for the day. This is a Fitbit, by the way. I'm fit. So yeah. Besides the fact that I wish I was born as a boy. Everything's good. Just kidding. Kinda. I'm full. I have to look up the calories for everything. So yeah. You can see all my flaws because I'm not wearing makeup. I just love watching mukbang, so I was like, I guess I'll make one. because I want to eat something bad. To me, this is bad. I don't like to eat like this every day. I'm a Virgo, so I can be anal, you know. But yeah, let me know in the comments what you like to pig out on. This isn't my everyday, like this, I haven't had this in like over a year, so obviously this is not it for me, but I just really was like thinking about it, and I was like, I want some Flips burgers. Flips burgers. God. But yeah, I usually prefer like hot Cheetos or sushi. What else? I'm not that big on food, I guess. I really liked snacking. Like yesterday, I just ate hot Cheetos and Oreos. And then I came home from work, and then I was a little hungry, so I ate cereal. And that's it. That was like almost 1,200 calories. But I didn't eat real food. Well, the cereal's kind of like food, but not really. So that was like a lot of junk food. And then today, I was like, I want a burger. There goes my diet. No, I'm just kidding. I'm not on a diet. I'm just like watching my calories. And I really like the Fitbit because of that, and it keeps track of like all my activity and stuff. I didn't even know, like, before I got it, I didn't know that I burned calories when I was doing nothing, but you do. So I burn around 2,000 calories a day. That's like without working out or anything. So I try to stay under like 1,100 calories. Usually I go up to 1,200 a day, but I try not to because I don't do that much. Like, I need to get a gym membership, then I could go up to a like higher calorie intake, but right now it's like with this, I haven't added it all up, but I'll put it in the description. I'll put it in the description. Maybe not, because I don't think you care. But let me know in the comments what your cheat meal is, even though this is not a cheat meal, not really. This is I'm doing a mukbang video, so. And the reason I did the mukbang was because I wanted to get Flips burgers. If you're a Virgo, you know that you need a reason for everything you do, pretty much. So life is hard. It's like, why'd you do this? Well, because it's hot. Like, if you ask a Virgo why they did anything, they always have a reason. There goes my raspberry iced tea. So this mukbang is over. I'm not gonna eat anything else. That's it. That's all that was left. I ate like half the fries, half the bread, and everything else I did eat. I'm not sure where to look. I can go there. But thanks for watching. If you made it through this video, I have some black onyx earrings. They're cute. They're supposed to be triangles. Oh, you can see my blonde hair. They're supposed to be triangles, but you can't really tell. Anyway, I'm really full. I hope that you ate something along with me. Go ahead and leave me a comment and subscribe. Be sure to watch all my other videos, especially my sketches. I only have 2 right now, but it's my favorite thing to do. But nobody watches it, so I'm just like, I guess I won't do them. No, I still will make them because it's my favorite thing. I just like to show off my different personalities. When I put on different wigs and different hair, it just like brings out a different side of me. But I'll probably be doing astrology videos. I want to do that. I love astrology. So I'll be doing signs. Yeah. Sign videos, like earth signs and then fire signs. My favorite are probably earth, because I'm a Virgo. But I also like air signs, because I have a lot of air. I don't think I have that much water. I have like Venus in Leo and Jupiter in Leo, but that's it for fire signs. I'm mostly like earth and air. So if you know your birth chart, you know what I'm talking about. If you don't, then you don't. Alright guys, I look disgusting. I have to go wash my face. I'll see you in another video, I guess. Bye.